Hello guys and girls, maybe welcome on my YouTube channel. Let me explain something about the front suspension of the cx500. Normally you will find that one is not good, but normally you will find the standard front leg. It's a metal tube, nothing is done on it, only chrome plated and rust. That's normal for the old types. But the other type, let me explain, the other type is with a sliding bush. So it's a little bit different version, more expensive, and I'm not sure if it is better, because now we have to replace all those parts, and those parts are not cheap. And you keep in mind that the front leg is not the same width or diameter as the other one. So I have the suspension tube, and you will find extra space here, and that's for this sliding bush ring to install there. So if you find more space here, that means that the room inside this tube is also slightly bigger, because it's all 33 mil, but when you have installed those sliding bushes on the end of the pipe, you will figure out it's a half mil thicker or something like that. Now you know, so remember that. So I painted it, sandblasted it, cleaned it, I hope. I have to clean it later on, and I'm going to install this. I just cleaned it. Bye-bye. That one is almost ready. The other one, it's the first time I use imitation front legs, front suspension pipes. They are not original, they are not cheap, and they came with those sliding bushes. This is the first time I use them. I told you it's not common on the cx500, but they are there. So when you see one, you know they exist. Okay, I have a plate. That's the upper sliding bush, also there, upper sliding bush. There's also another problem. If you are in Europe and you want to find those parts, it's extremely difficult, because you can't find it by part number. You have to be experienced or have Honda knowledge to find those sliding bushes. But now I figured it out. I know what they are. Oh yes, very important to explain. Yes, I want to show you something. Those bushings are special treatment. They have a Teflon coating inside. Yes, this one inside, because it's sliding over here, and this one has the Teflon coating on the outside, because it is sliding inside the aluminium. Here, fuck it, aluminium pipe. Yes. Now I'm going to install this. It's always a little bit difficult. Yes. And this one is very difficult. I do not know why. But soda. Sometimes I have also problems. I take a cloth because it's clipping inwards, and when you have your skin between those ends here, it will hurt you. Something is going wrong. I do not know why. This is not normal. Okay. I'm not very happy with the end result, because that gap, I want to have it closed. It's not a big problem. We check it. What is going wrong? Okay, it will fit. And it needs some oil, I think. What's going on here? Oh, I hate this. I do not understand. Okay. That works, but not very fine. It's too dry inside. I need some oil. Comes later on. I told you something about those bushings. They need a special Teflon coating outside. Let me grab an old one, then I will show you what is wrong on the old one. Look at here, that's an old one, and they're completely brass color or copper color. That means the Teflon coating is disappeared, only there is a small edge to see, and this one has some sliding issues there, and all the rust is here. It's not good, but this one I let repair. I bring it to a special company that is offshore plating, so a special chrome nickel coating, very hard for the offshore industry on the sea. Salt water, no problem. This one is not protected to salt water, that will rust. Also as this, it's the same. The other one that I let do is maybe better than Honda, but it's not very shiny. It's a little bit more yellow and a little bit more this color here, and not shiny. So that's the difference. Now you know what is the difference. So we have this there. Don't forget the aluminium bushing below it. If it is falling off, disform it a little bit and sticks on. Or use a little bit of grease. There's also a possibility. You can put some grease on it and it will stick there. Maybe very important tip for you. So yes, this one, okay. Because I need some lubrication inside here. This is a little bit too much, but don't worry. Everything what is too much, I can wipe it away with a cloth. So need a little bit of oil. That will help me now. Yeah. Now for another problem. I hate those front legs. Yeah, that's a little bit difficult. How do I get that in? So let's get it off. I had a special pipe or something like that, and I do not know where it is at the moment. So then I have a little screw. I'm not doing this right. Sorry, I have to get some more tools and a special other material to finish this off. So give me some minutes. See you later. Bye bye.